Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. Today we will configure ZFS storage with 2 disks in mirror mode, RAID 1, in Proxmox VE. This setup is very important if you want data protection, redundancy, and high reliability in your server. By the end of this video, you will be able to configure ZFS mirror step by step using GUI. Add ZFS storage in Proxmox GUI. Go to Data Center. Follow on screen instruction for configuration ZFS storage on Proxmox VE. So this was the complete guide to configuring ZFS mirror in Proxmox VE. Now your system is protected with RAID 1 level redundancy using ZFS. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next Proxmox tutorial.